Hi, I'm Noonies. Today I am somewhere I've never been, at McCullough Nature Preserve, also Lindner Park. Driving down the road, you would think that this is somebody's home, and maybe it is, I'm not sure. But I decided to check it out. Went to church this morning, then did some early voting, and it's too pretty to go home. So let's see what we have here. I have no clue, so you guys will see with me. Let's do our adventure. So there's supposedly trails here. Oh, there's a bird house. Now let's see if, oh, I don't want to get, there's people picnicking. I don't want to get them in there. Let's try to find a trail. Oh, looks like there's one by the birdhouse. This is very quaint. So I saw some people head off in that direction. That might be a trailhead. Let's go down and look at the birdhouse. I found a trailhead. What I thought down there might be a birdhouse, but it looks more like one of those libraries where you can take a book and return a book, donate a book. And then I had all that filmed and didn't press record. Haha. So I was already down here. Here's a split in the trail, but we're going to go left. Well, this is cute. There's something running around in the woods. What is that? Oh, a birdie. Oh, and I hear people. There's a creek down there, but you really can't see it, so I'll turn this off for now. Okay. So it looks like the trail comes to another split. I'm thinking if we go right, it's going to take us back up by the house. So we're going to go left and see where that goes. I really do need to keep my headlamp in my car. Second time because days are getting shorter. And even though it's early enough, I'm sure I could get through here. But as the days are getting shorter and shorter, I should probably just have that protection. Ooh, timber. We'll go around this way. Okay, so we could go that way, but I'm going this way because it looks awesome. What I would like to see for this trail are trail markers. That looks cool. We're going to go right though. And the reason is I want to see the railroad tracks. We may turn around and come back. This almost looks like a place where we went. Oh, we're not going to the railroad tracks. Where we went to horseback riding in Winton Woods. Just lots of little trails all over the place. So we are going by the railroad tracks. Yeah. Don't know if you can see it, but there was a woodpecker on that tree. Oh, he just flew away. I think that's a woodpecker because he was on a tree where there was pecking going on. Well, the trail goes down here, and because there's no documentation that I can find of where it goes, if it goes back in the woods, crosses the tracks, we're just going to go back to where we came from because I don't have a clue. What a fun Sunday afternoon. This is definitely not on my list of things to do today. I'm not sure where I am. I probably should have crossed the bridge back there, but I decided to go straight, and I don't believe this is where I began. I'm coming up here anyway. Is it? No. So, we're going to go back down and see where to go. I'll be calling my kids saying, come and get me. Click Find Mom on your phone. Oh, I love rock walls. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm on the right trail. Oh, I am. Maybe? Oh, is that an old cistern? Old cellar? Maybe I did come up in the right place because that looks like one of those library books. So this might be bigger than it actually looks. Cool beans. That is what it is on the other side. It just didn't. It was missing the door. So when I came up before, I came up in the same correct spot. I'm sure I could maybe find, I am going to go back down and find other parts of the trail. Yeah, let's go. I was going to say, no, we're going to do it differently. Let's go into where we started, and instead of going left, let's see where right takes us. Ha ha ha. It's too early to go back, even though I have a ton of stuff to do. And I wanted to make bean soup tonight. And that takes a minute. So beans soaking, it shouldn't take that long. Or then again, I can make it tonight and have it tomorrow. There we go. Okay, let's go to the right now. There's no sense not trying to explore it all if we have the time. Which I really don't. But that trail was just too short. I can't go home yet. So, this is where we entered before. There's the bench. And now instead of going to the left, to the left, to the left, we are going to the right, to the right, to the right. I've been sick for over a month. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. I hear it in my head. Okay. Now there's two ways we can... No, let's just go right here and see where it takes us. But it started, I don't know, a month or so ago with COVID-like symptoms. And I just couldn't get out of bed. And I missed a day of work, which I never do, seldom do. And no fever, no COVID, took like 3 or 4 COVID tests, Maybe more. I was out of it. I don't know. No COVID. Then I was better for a week or two. Oh, how cool. Better for a week or two, and then no COVID still. But then I just have this nasty cold that just will not go away. We have to go down. I think we're going to circle around, and here's where we go to it. It is freaking awesome. Pardon my French. I love it. Oh, look at that. I think we're going to cross it when we go back. This has so much character. Let's see what this says. Oh, there's two signs. Bathhouse. So this is a bathhouse, I guess. Okay. Oh. I wish you guys could be here. It's like a cave. There was a gush of wind that came. Not wind, cool air. This is so cool. Cool, so this was a pool. Let's get closer so you can see it. The pool was once spring-fed, but eventually switched over to city water. So this was a pool apparently. And that's the bathhouse. Maybe they have fires. Okay, I want to go that way, but I have to cross the bridge just because that is who I am. So, bridge wins. Okay. Oh, which way? Lord, this is fun. Rock Bridge. I'm glad I came this way. The stone bridge was likely built in the 1900 to 1910. It was built for a road that connected Cypress Way to the barn that was located a short distance to the north. The stream of water underneath the bridge flows to the spring here. So, yeah, we have to cross the bridge. But it looks like there's something down here too. So, no, we're going. We are going this way. Like I say, you have to get lost to get found. Let's turn off my my remote there. There's people up here, I'll turn it off. Okay, let's see what this is. It looks like we're behind a building now. If we go to the right, we're going to end up where we started, but we're not doing that. Spring house. The original spring house was a wooden shack unlike this current building. some sauce. Oh man, so much history. There's the front of the building, and there's the steps to get down to the spring house. Now let's go back on the trail. Go back. Glad I came this way. So much fun. Let's see if we can find anything else. I saw some people go that way, but I'm not. We'll stay on the bigger trail. A couple minutes ago, I just ended up close to the street. And now this looks like a camp area. Okay, so if I were on a through hike, which maybe I'll get to do next year, we'll see. We would scan the area. We would look up for dead, dangerous trees, obstacles, and a good branch for a bear hang. So where do we go from here? Just walk around, lay in the leaves and make leaf angels. I don't know. Don't know if there's a trail from here. But this is kind of cool. Oh, I'm still on a trail. Couldn't tell. I want to go back to the pool. Got to make sure I got a picture of it. I think I did. I'm not going to worry about it. Tons of squirrels. I know you hear my feet kicking the leaves as I walk, but there are squirrels everywhere. It's a nice November Sunday afternoon, and they're saying, let's take advantage of this. Get ready for the cold weather. Oh, we are. We're where I wanted to go. Yeah, baby. Haha. So it looks like we are pretty much through with our hike. I think, because we just did a big old circle. So we're going to turn left up here, go back by the spring house, and exit. And here's the pool. I just find this fascinating. I do think we've done pretty much everything we can do back here. Not very big. Would definitely recommend it. It was fun, especially if you just like to look at history, get a sense of history. Love the fence. See what I mean when I said you're just driving down the road, la 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 la. Oh, what a cute stone house over there. And then you see this house here. Just looks like a normal residence, and maybe it is. But maybe somebody lives here, I don't know. Parking spots are, oops, I just tripped on something hidden under leaves. We'll go around, make the walk longer. But I don't know where it's going. That looks like it could be another trailhead. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I think we saw pretty much all we can see. Where does this go? Oh, I think I was on this. We were on this. You were with me. Well, I'm almost positive we saw everything there is to see here. If not, please leave in the comments what I forgot and I'll come back and get it. Like I said, I've never heard of this place before. It's really kind of awesome. So we saw a little bit of history, nature, train tracks, bird bath, close to my grandpa's, but his had more shells. So just really awesome and cool. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Have an awesome day. Bye.